Hi everyone, this is Darren from MyMac. In this video,
I will introduce aerospace heavy industry AHI's open pit mining dump truck products.
AHI is the professional mining truck manufacturer
that producing open pit mining transportation equipment, underground mining transportation equipment, intelligent mining equipment, and special mining equipment.
AHI's open pit mining truck mainly including diesel-electric
mining dump truck, wide body mining dump truck.
AHI's diesel-electric mining dump truck series products covers
110 ton, 120 ton, 130 ton, 150 ton, 220 ton, 240 ton, 363 ton, 400 ton.
AHI's wide-body mining dump truck series products covers
80 ton, 90 ton, and 100 ton products.
AHI provides different power options for all of our mining dump trucks,
including diesel-electric drive, hybrid drive, pure electric drive, and hydrogen fuel cell drive.
Our electromechanical hob dump truck adopts world-leading engine brands
such as Cummins and Yuchai.
AHI provides different options for electric drive system,
including integrated electric and hybrid electric, ensuring optimal performance and adaptability for mining equipment.
AHI wide-body mining dump truck adopts different engine options, including
diesel engines and electric drive systems, providing flexibility to meet various operational and environmental requirements.
AHI wide-body mining dump truck adopts closed box structure
and full penetration integral welding type
to achieve high operation efficiency.
AHI's pure electric mining dump truck adopts a 422 kWh battery.
AHI hybrid mining dump truck provides different control strategies
according to different working conditions, and its hybrid technology saves more than 40% of fuel compared with diesel vehicle.
AHI adopts the braking energy recovery technology
for both of our EV and hybrid mining dump trucks, which not only enables the battery to recharge during deceleration, but also significantly enhances transportation efficiency and lowers operating costs.
AHI can also provide intelligent driverless technology,
which enables both manned and unmanned vehicle operations.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact MyMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.mymac.com.